welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, some nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.2, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Accommodation is fine in case bedroom for the surrounding. The category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. This can offer travel and online about this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. Provided in the description. Any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.